I got a story to share with y'all the other day. Teresa, that's Teresa right there. She was at the office and she emailed us and told us to watch this video. So we did. And two beautiful little girls. I could have watched them all day long, Teresa. Thank you so much, because I'd have never known.
They're adorable.
You know, I would never have known to go out there and look for things like that. But their names are Evie and Pearson. Yeah, I don't have my glasses. I can't see. Thank you, Eddie. Yeah, so they're Evie and Pearson. And let's see, one was 5. Little Pearson is 5. And I can't remember how old Evie is, but Pearson she was all in. And Evie was the one that was setting the rules and saying, this is the way you have to do it. But they were darling, beautiful girls. And they started out saying that we are, on our cooking show today, we're doing banana pudding. Not your mama's banana pudding. Courtesy of Paula Deen.
So cute.
They were darling. So I'm gonna call those two girls, and hopefully I can talk to them and thank them for making me and that banana pudding look so good.
And we're gonna share the video.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna share the video with y'all so everybody can see it, because they are darling.
Hello?
Natalie.
Hey!
Hey, it's Paula Deen.
Oh, we are so excited to talk to you.
Oh, Natalie. Your girls are precious.
Thank you so
They
much. I think I'll
are
keep them.
precious. I'm telling you what, that little Pearson, now is that how you pronounce her name, Pearson?
Yes, ma'am.
Now she's a dirt road sport, isn't she?
Yes.
And Evie is so serious. She's more serious and trying to do things right and perfect,
Listen,
right?
You pinpointed them to the T.
Let me tell you something, Natalie. I could have watched that video all day long.
Oh, Miss Paula, we love it.
Oh, well, they were so precious, I couldn't hardly stand it. I told Eddie, I said, you know, I finally am the grandmother of 2 little girls, and they'll be 2 years old in October. And I said, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get in the kitchen with my 2 girls when they're old enough, you know, to get in the kitchen with me. I know I'm wishing their little lives away, but...
I know. Well, you have been the highlight of this quarantine for us. I'm telling you, we just were watching some of the sandwiches you made today, but they have looked forward to getting in the bed while I'm drinking my coffee and watch whatever you're doing.
That is wonderful. Well, I'm fixing to shoot some little shows today, and tell Evie and Pearson that they need to watch the one with peanut butter balls in it.
Oh, yeah.
Because
they're right here. You want to say
yes, I do.
You say hi. This is Evie. Go hi.
Hey, Evie. How are ya?
I'm good.
I know you're good. I enjoyed your cooking show so much the other day.
You tell her where we're planning to go this summer. We're planning to go to Savannah, Georgia and eat at the Lady and stuff.
No. Oh my goodness. Well, I hope I'm there that day. I hope I am there.
So cool. Pearson, you want to say hi? Hi.
Hey, Pearson. How are you, doll baby?
Good.
I know. Y'all are both real good.
They are. They love to hear you, the way you talk. We have just gotten so tickled at stuff, and we laugh when you'll tell them dogs to hush. Our family, we come from a family that cooks and bakes, and this, you calling us has made my grandmother's week. She's
my
called me every
gosh.
few minutes saying, have you talked to Paula yet?
No. Well, tell your grandmama that I sent her love.
I will.
And I hope she can reach up and grab it.
Absolutely.
Well, you are just darling to do that with your children and to have all those patience that you have. But I understand you're a school teacher.
I am. I teach 3rd grade.
Ooh. Well, that's still a good age. They're still real innocent, aren't they?
Yes, they are. They are. It's a lot of fun.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, thank you for helping everybody raise their children. It's not an easy task, I know.
I know it. I know it.
I know it's
Definitely.
not
Well,
an
we
easy
appreciate you so much, and thank you for bringing joy to us during this
Oh,
time.
Natalie, you are just so sweet. So, before we hang up, I just want to know if I can show the girls' videos on my channel.
Yeah. Oh, Evie said
Oh, yes! Yay, Evie! Thank you.
And that's my rule follower. So if the rule
Yes.
follower says yes, then that's okay.
I could tell that she was a rule follower. I have a few grandchildren that, if it doesn't say that in the rules, then you don't do it.
That's right. And then you've got some like Miss Pearson that will go right over that line just a little.
And develop some new rules.
That's right. That's right. You
Well,
can absolutely share that video.
Well,
That would be awesome.
thank you. Well, listen, I tell the girls that I would put money on it that they are going to be TV stars one day with their own cooking show.
They both got their mouths open wide right now.
Well, give those girls a hug and a kiss for me.
Well, awesome. Thank you for calling. And one other thing.
Yes.
My husband and I, on our honeymoon, we went to Charleston and Hilton Head, and we went to Savannah, and we actually met your sons, and we have a picture with them.
Oh,
and got their
wonderful.
autographs. So this is
Wonderful.
just a full circle right here.
Yeah, so now you got the whole family.
That's right. That's right.
Well, Natalie, you're a dear to share this with the world, and I thank you so much.
Thank you, Paula.
Love and best dishes.
Same to you. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, so what are y'all cooking today, girls?
Banana pudding. Inspired by
Any banana pudding, or what's it called?
Pauline's banana pudding.
It's called Nacho Mama's banana pudding.
Inspired by Pauline.
Inspired by Paula Deen, yes.
And right now we're cutting up bananas. Sponsored by Pauline. Everything is sponsored by Pauline. I'm just kidding. The next step is to add 2 cups of milk into the pudding mixture.
Ooh, all right. And then what are we gonna do with it?
Do the electric whisker.
The electric whisker. Okay, let me help you with that.
It's really loud because we're doing the batter. That's weird. We're making banana pudding. The next step is to pour sweet condensed milk over a block of cream cheese. Whoa, that does not look good. It smells bad.
You're not convincing. You're supposed to be saying, "Oh, it smells so wonderful."
So
when you-
satisfying.
So satisfying.
Can I have a try? Hold up, I'm trying to get all the excess out. Oops. Let me go and wash my hands. Exactly why.
What are you doing? Evie, what are you doing?
I'm mixing the sweet condensed milk with the chunk of butter.
The chunk of butter.
With the block of cream cheese. Not even close. It's not even close. Put this into this. This is a little heavy. Yeah.
You need some help?
This is heavy too. Here's what I need to use. Can you scoop that our whipped topping in the mixtures and this. Oh, okay. It just came out. Now we're going to put our ingredients together into a trifle. With the bananas. With these chessmen cookies too. They're very small. Okay.
All right, you can start assembling layer cookies.
Okay, let's put some cookies on the bottom. You always want them layered. You want Pearson, and you want to make sure they're not stacked on top of each other like that. You put mine right there.
was so funny. Do more than one at a time, Pearson.
Scoop it up. Boom. I'm gonna go with a layer of cream. And then we'll do the bananas.
Try to
again.
keep it real pretty and smooth. Don't get it all over the sides.
Smooth. How about your bananas out flat? Yep. Flat. We're gonna take a new batch of fruit. We have another batch, but right now we're using this batch. Sister, she doesn't want to help with this, so I'll start. And you're just gonna mash with a rolling pin in with these crackers, and then roll in a bag like this. I'm so crazy with this. I'm in a good part.
You're in a good part.
Oh.
What?
That feels weird.
I think you need to put your spatula down, your popsicle spatula.
I like it. Just likes it. I do not know why she just likes it.
Watch what you're. Don't put a big pile. Don't put a big pile in the middle.
I'm doing
Sprinkle it around.